Can you open an LLC bank account in a different state from where your business is registered? This question affects many business owners with operations spanning multiple states. The short answer is yes. You can open an LLC bank account in another state, but there are important requirements and considerations to be aware of. While you're not legally required to open a business bank account in the same state as your LLC formation, most banks will require that your LLC is registered to do business in the state where you're opening the account. This often means filing for foreign qualification if you're operating outside your formation state. For LLCs with operations in multiple states, national banks offer a practical solution. These institutions have branches across different states, making it easier to manage your finances regardless of where your business activities take place. Online banks have also become popular options, allowing you to open and manage accounts remotely. To open an LLC bank account in any state, you'll need several essential documents. These include your articles of organization, an employer identification number from the IRS, your operating agreement, and valid photo identification for all signatories. If you're opening an account in a state other than your formation state, the bank will likely also require proof of foreign qualification and evidence of business operations in that state. There are two main approaches to setting up banking across state lines. The first option is opening a personal account in the other state. This requires evaluating available banks, reviewing account requirements, determining if online account opening is possible, and making your initial deposit. The second approach is establishing a dedicated business account. For this method, you typically need to register to do business in the state. Carefully select a bank that meets your needs. Speak with a business banking representative about specific requirements, and fund the account to activate it. When choosing a bank for your multi-state LLC, consider whether the institution operates in all states where you do business. There are specific requirements for foreign LLCs, online account management capabilities, and options for remote identity verification for account signatories. Opening a bank account in a state where your LLC isn't registered can create compliance issues. States may interpret this as doing business in their jurisdiction, potentially leading to fines and penalties if you haven't properly registered. You might also face limitations on legal protections if your business is sued in a state where you haven't registered. Many online and fintech banks now cater specifically to remote entrepreneurs and LLC owners operating across multiple states. These include options like Bluevine, Novo, Mercury, and Relay. While these banks allow online account opening, be prepared to upload scans of your LLC documents, provide personal identification, and verify your physical business address. For LLCs registered in one state for tax or privacy advantages, but operating elsewhere, foreign qualification in your actual business location is often necessary. This applies to businesses formed in states like Wyoming, Delaware, or Nevada, but conducting operations in other states. If your LLC members live in different states, coordination is required for account setup. Each authorized user will need to complete signature cards and verify their identity. Choosing a bank with remote verification capabilities or branches accessible to all members can simplify this process. Understanding these requirements and planning accordingly will help ensure your LLC maintains proper banking relationships across state lines while staying compliant with state business regulations.